Hello everybody, so today we're going to be teaching you guys how to make almond milk, right Maria?
Yep, so today we're going to show you guys how we make almond milk. So this is an almond milk I've made for many years. Very simple. So if you want a dairy alternative, this is what you would want to do. So Mia's going to wash her hands and we're going to get to making the recipe. So
Hi guys.
we have, I'm going to tell you what we're going to use. So what we have is 1 cup of soaked almonds. So I get those at the store. So you just get, some regular raw almonds and you soak them overnight. So that's what these are right here. So we got the soaked almonds. Drop this little mesh bag. So this is a strainer bag, like a little mesh bag. So we got that right there. And then we're going to use some dates to make it sweet.
Mama.
Some salt, cinnamon, and then water. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. The salt is for sweetness. Not the salt. The salt is to help preserve it when you keep it in the fridge. And the dates is for the sweetness. And then the cinnamon is more for taste. So yeah, we're going to get into it. And we're going to make you guys some almond milk. So all right, wash your hands and let's go. All right, so we back. Hands is clean. So another tip with the almonds. Okay, so with the almonds, we leave the skin on, but you don't have to leave the skin on. So if you want a very creamy milk, you don't have to put the skin on. So after you soak almonds, the skin gets very loose. So all you got to do is
come
just
offable.
Come offable. What kind of word is that?
It's not a real word.
Yeah, so they come offable. So yeah, so that's what you see. So it only does this when you soak them overnight. So you can take all the skin off if you want, and then you'll just have just the raw almond like this, and then the milk will come out very, very creamy. All right, so that's the trick to get the creamy milk. Just take the skin off. But I don't want to take the skin off of all these almonds. So if you got the time to do it, then you go ahead and you can do that. So that's how you make a creamy milk. The cinnamon, I can't even talk. The cinnamon gives it a lot of flavor. So if you don't like cinnamon, you don't have to use cinnamon. If you don't want to make it sweet, you don't have to use dates. So yeah, but that's definitely what you would want to use to make it good. So that's the sweetener that we use. So, oh yeah, and for the water, so typically this is 1 cup. So if you want more almond milk, you could put about 2 cups, and then you'll do. So the ratio is 1 cup almonds and then 3 cups of water. You can do 2 cups, or you'll get a feel for how you want to have your texture and how you want to have like your ratio as far as how it tastes. So 1 to 3 is the ratio. So 1 cup almonds, 3 cups of water. So let's get into it. So she's over here peeling them now. What's going on?
This is satisfying.
Yeah, I knew you was gonna say that. I was waiting for it. So go ahead and toss it in there. So toss in the almonds.
One more.
Yeah, go ahead.
Just
Yeah.
look how beautiful it is.
It's an almond.
When you peel off the skin, it has a nice, beautiful body.
All right, come on. So toss those in there. So we have the 1 cup.
Cheers.
Almonds. All right. Water. Just pour all that in there.
Dang.
All right. Toss the dates in. Dog over there crying. She's like, what's going on over there? And then for the salt, just put like a pinch, like a little splash. Oh, you want to do it here? See, just a little bit of salt. Just sauce it in there. So that's just to preserve it. And then don't try any cinnamon dragons out there, people.
Oh, nah. You'll be dying.
So just, yeah, just kind of toss up. That's good. That's good. All right. And then cinnamon. So, as you can see. Oh, your class started? All right. We'll be back. She has a class that's starting. All right. I'm going to put the lid on. Secure it. And then let's cut the blender on. So let's go. And there you have it, people. So you have almond milk here. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to strain it. Okay, so here we are. I'll show you how to do that. So take your milk here. And then, hold on. My sidekick went back to her class, so bear with me. Let me just fix this strainer. So this with the strainer for, so it gets all that excess pulp and skin. So I keep that and I just store it in the fridge, and then I'll use that for smoothies. So just strain it. So you see it's like a rich, creamy milk. Tastes good too. And you can put more cinnamon, more dates if you want it sweet. All right. So this is one way you can make almond milk. If you don't have almonds, you can actually use almond butter and do the same thing. So besides the almonds, you just use almond butter. Use like 2 tablespoons of almond butter. And you'll make almond milk just like this. Or you can toss it in this not the almond butter, but you can use almonds, water, dates, toss it in this juicer, and it'll do the same thing. But this is a simple way how you can make almond milk. You store it in the fridge. I try to drink it within, 2 to 3 days. Drop the earpiece. But yeah, try to drink it within 2 to 3 days. So I use this milk as a base when I make strawberry ice cream for. And yeah, so some fresh almond milk for you. All right, people, so here's your dairy alternative milk. So just fresh almond milk. Okay. So there's another recipe for you guys. So yeah. So like I say, dairy alternative. It's only a few ingredients. I typically will keep it in the fridge for a couple of days. So that salt is what preserves it. Also, like you can use this when you make like ice creams or whatever. You also can put it in the freezer, like get a free, the tray for ice cube tray, and you can pour all the milk and you can freeze it, and then you could use it for your smoothies as well. So it's a lot of stuff that you can do. But I use this sometime when I make her strawberry ice cream. I use a little bit of the almond milk as the base. So we're going to show you guys how we make the strawberry ice cream as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. We try to give you guys a lot of tips as well as,
to stay healthy.
Yeah, pretty much. And also, she's over there over your tablet.
Man, I just cleaned it.
But yeah, so we try to give you guys a lot of tips. This is stuff that we do. So I try to show her a lot of stuff as she get older. She'll remember it, as she gets bigger and she, grows up. She'll remember, oh yeah, we did that. And yeah, so this stuff will help you guys out too. Hope you enjoy it. Fresh almond milk. Cheers.